Hey everyone, it's Kristina from Kristina's Krafts, and I'm going to be doing a 4th of July decoration. I got this star from Dollar Tree, and I also got this from Dollar Tree, and I am going to be using all three of these. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these off of here. Then I am going to paint my stars. Now these are the closest blues, reds, and whites that I have, or blue and red that I have. I have the lacquer colored paint from Waverly, and then Ocean. So I am going to paint these colors right here. The big one, Ocean, this one, the lacquer, and this one, white. All right, so I got my white chalk paint out, and I'm just going to do the front side and then the sides of my star. All right, I have the white one painted, and now I am going to do the middle one with my lacquer paint, making sure to get all the sides and the front and the inside of this one. Okay, I have the red one done, and now I am going to do the blue one. All right, so I'm gonna get on the blue one, I'm gonna get all the sides, and I think I'm gonna paint the back of this one too, because this is gonna be the back of my piece. So I'm gonna get the sides and the front and the back with the blue paint. While that one is drying, I have this Celebrate sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I think they come in like a 3-pack. They're the laser cutout words. And I am going to paint my Celebrate blue because the Celebrate is going to go on top of the white star. Okay, I have my Celebrate painted. Then I have this little wood pack that I got from Dollar Tree. And, sorry, my hands are all red, white, and blue. And I am going to take a couple of these stars here that I have, and they're gonna go on the front of my sign here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do like 2, and I think I'm gonna do them both in red. So I'm gonna get my red paint out and get these 2 painted. Okay, now that I got my stars painted, I'm gonna set those aside. Then I grabbed some of these beads that I got from Amazon. 3 beads, and I'm gonna do 1 blue, 1 red, and 1 white. Okay, now that I have them all painted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little sanding block that I got from Dollar Tree, and I am just going to sand the edges a little bit here, and then I'm also going to sand a little bit on the top, just to rough it up a little bit. All right, I have all my pieces painted, and then I sanded the edges, and then I also went over this a little bit, to kind of rough it up a little bit so it looks a little bit more rustic. So these pieces are done, and then I did the white star too a little bit. I just tried to fill the hole in a little bit here with some paint. I should have filled it with wood filler, but of course I didn't. So the Celebrate sign, I'm actually gonna just set this on my table here, and I am just gonna use my little pad just to kind of rough this up a little bit, but I gotta be really careful with this because these little laser word cutouts aren't exactly the strongest. They break kind of easy. Okay, I also roughed up my stars here a little bit. So I am ready to start putting this together. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I actually wanna bump this up off of here a little bit. So I have these little pop-up adhesive dots that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use those. I don't want too much height on it, but a little bit of height would be nice. So I'm just gonna stick a few of these on my star here. How I'm just gonna do each corner. Then I'm gonna take the little paper backings off of here. All right, and then I'm gonna use my glue gun because these aren't sticking the best to the wood. And I'm gonna glue the little sticky squares right onto the star here. Okay, and then I am gonna stick some hot glue on top of these sticky things here. And then I am going to place it onto my star. Hopefully get it on there good the first time. Looks pretty centered right there. Okay, so I have that on there. Then I need to bump up the center star a little bit. I think I want it bumped up a little bit more than that one. Okay, I think for this I'm going to use this foam mounting tape that I got at Dollar Tree. And let's see. I am going to, because these are a little bit bigger, and I think I'm going to have to double them up, so stick these on here. And hopefully that'll bump it up enough. All right, let's see how that is looking here. I think that should be good. It's just a little bit above. All right, so then I'm gonna take the paper off of here and stick a little hot glue on there and position it in the middle. Hopefully in the middle. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little Celebrate here and I'm going to try just get a little hot glue on here to get it to stick. I don't want it gushing out all over the place. And this I am actually going to put on an angle here. Okay, and then I am going to put my stars on here. That one's gonna go right about there. And then this one's gonna go on the bottom. All right, then the last thing that I have to do is my jute top here. So I'm actually gonna stick this, I'm gonna try to get it in here and then through the other side because my holes aren't exactly lined up. If I would have lined them up, then my stars would not have been centered on there. Okay, so I just put a little bit of tape on here and then I was able to angle this through here like that. So what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna put the beads, like it's gonna be like a double string, so I'm just gonna cut this for right now. And then I'm gonna have to take this tape off of here and then I'm gonna have to tape the two ends together to get it through my beads. All right, so I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna try to get these two ends together here. And then that way I should be able to string my beads through, double string like. Come on. And then the blue one. All right. And then I'm gonna want this to stay like at the top here. So I'm just gonna pull this up a little bit and I'm gonna stick a little hot glue in here. And then I'm gonna pull my beads down onto that hot glue and hold that for a little bit. Right, and then I'm gonna stick just a little bit of hot glue in between all the beads here, just to keep it nice and straight. Hot glue on there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take this end right here and I'm going to tie it like so. All right, and I'm gonna cut that end off and then this is gonna hang just like this. And I have the perfect spot on my pantry to hang this. So it is all finished. I hope you made it to the end of this video and I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I just want to say thank you so much for watching and I hope you subscribe, hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Thanks. Bye.